Hi there, my name is Mark Freeman and I'm a digital marketer here at Global Sign. Today we mark the celebration of National Internaut Day, which is the birth on the 23rd of August of the inception of the internet. And in today's video we're going to be looking at the main milestones from 1991 all the way up to 2018.
So as mentioned before, we're going to start our journey off in 1991, which marks the first website built. It was built and put online around the 6th of August by the creator of the internet, Sir Tim Berners-Lee. But previous to that, there'd obviously been years and years of development. So we're going to go very quickly back to 1971, which marks the time of the first ever email sent. As the internet hadn't been invented at this point, it was sent over a service called ARPANET at the time. Fast forward 7 years to 1978, and we have the first ever spam email sent. So indeed, spam emails were around long before the internet was even in existence. If we push forward to 1989, we'll see that the World Wide Web, the www that we've all grown to know and to love, was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee at CERN. Moving forward to 1993, the World Wide Web technology was made available on a royalty-free basis. This was around the 30th of April, and a published statement that made the World Wide Web technology available for free came into effect. This is what allowed the internet to grow so rapidly and become the #1 means of communication worldwide. In the same year, we had the first ever primitive search engine created. It was in September the 2nd, and it was known as W3 Catalog, or W3C. It was quickly followed by a second, AliWeb, in November in 1993. Fast forward 1 year and we have the launch of the first search engine, which was at the time Yahoo. Yahoo was founded by Jerry Yang and David Filo in January 1994, and it was incorporated on March the 1st, 1995. In 1994 also, we had the first ever e-commerce transaction. This transaction was done by the website NetMarket on August the 11th. Later on October the 27th, we had the first ever web banner sold. So this probably marked the first time that we had advertisement campaigns in the form of banners on websites. In that same year, Amazon was incorporated. Amazon has grown to be perhaps one of the world's largest marketplaces for selling items as well as digital services, and Amazon itself was founded by Jeff P. Bezos, at the time was known as Cadabra. 1 year on, in 1995, the first ever item was sold on eBay. The first ever item to be sold on eBay was a broken laser pointer which didn't even work. 3 years from that, in 1998, we have possibly one of the largest milestones in the internet's history, and that is the founding of Google. It was founded by 2 Stanford University PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Now we're past the year 2000, and in 2001, Wikipedia was created. Wikipedia provided a free online open content encyclopedia, and it was made by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger on January the 15th, 2001. 1 year on, we start to see the first appearances of social networks. Friendster in 2002 was what's widely known as one of the first main social networks that was available. In 2003, we saw the launch of LinkedIn, which officially launched in 2003 on May the 5th. And now we have, which is probably the largest social network introduction, and that would be Facebook. Facebook was created in 2004 but was known as the Facebook at the time, and since then it's grown to be arguably one of the largest used websites on the internet. In 2006 is when Facebook became an open system, which meant that anybody could be a member rather than just graduates of certain universities around America. 2006 also marked the launch of Twitter, arguably the world's #1 conversational public site. In 2010, this marked a big year for website launches, as both Quora.com was made publicly available, as well as the launch of the hugely successful Instagram. Since 2010, there's been other notable websites that have launched, as well as new technologies within the internet and security marketplace. We'd love for you to tell us a few examples of sites that you use that launched after 2010 in the comments below.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope that you celebrate your Internaut Day today with a tweet, a like, a share, or even your own post or perhaps your own website. And feel free to subscribe below and to watch more Global Sign videos.